Okay, before adding the interior dimension that is required for this proposed partition plan, we need to look at some items. So first of all, these are the dimensions that we would like to add. So one is the placement of the dimension. Now, sometimes you'd like to maybe put the furniture first so that you can place the dimension where it doesn't overlap the furniture. Another one is you'd notice that some of this doesn't have the extension lines. So you can suppress the extension line so that it doesn't show, like for example here. And of course, there are other times when you don't need it, like here. So to do that, we can create an interior dimension style. So how does that work? So going to our CAD dim style, D is the shortcut key. We can create a new one, a new style, a copy of the dim Sheridan, but this one will say dim Sheridan interior. Okay, so int. Okay, so it's also going to be annotative, so we'll say continue. And the thing that we'd like to change is this one here, the extension lines. We want to suppress the extension line. So notice what will happen if you do that. If you check that checkbox, extension line 1 will be suppressed and will also suppress extension line number 2. So we don't have the extension lines. Okay, so we'll do that. Click OK and close. And maybe set that to current. Okay, set that to current and close. Now that we have done that, we can start our dimension linear command. So we'll say dim, maybe maximize the viewport. Okay, say dim, select linear, and then we'll add this one here. Okay, so from here to uh, this line right here. Okay, and then we can place it somewhere here. Okay, there you go. Now, notice that the extension line was suppressed. Now, for the rest, we do need the extension line. So we can use that. Uh, or maybe use the same interior dimension style here. Okay, so we can say beam. Okay, and then we'll go from here to the midpoint. Okay, so that's 12 feet. So we're going to place it here. And then dim continue. And this one, we don't have the midpoint. I think I deleted that. So I'm going to right click, mid between 2 points. So that's another way of doing it. And here I do have that line, so it's a lot easier. Just one click. And then here, I'm just going to place it somewhere here. Okay. And click or press enter. Okay, so those dimension doesn't have any extension lines. Now, for the rest, we need the dimension uh, extension. So we're going to just simply change style. So D, and then select this one here and say set current and close. Okay, then we can issue the dimension linear command. Start here It's okay. And then here, maybe either place it here, similar to the proposed plan, uh, and then say deem continue. Okay, continue to the midpoint. That's why I didn't delete that. And then continue to this here. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so those are the dimensions we need. Okay, so again, dim style, create a dim Sheridan interior, suppressing the lines. Suppress the extension line 1 and extension line 2.